why do we need Ganoderma? The reason is very simple. Ganoderma is a nutritional house. Ganoderma are packed with nutrition, with 400 types of nutrition in a Ganoderma. Nowadays, people are having health problems because their diet are not balanced. When their diet are not balanced, they are malnutrition actually. Okay, so with Ganoderma we can balance back the nutrition. And also, Ganoderma have two very important functions. One is detoxification. It can remove the toxin from the body, and due to the rich nutrient in Ganoderma, it can repair back the body. That is resulted in regeneration. And we say that all the health problem is only due to this problem, either due to toxin or due to out of balance of the body. For example, if a person is having AIDS, it's because of the virus. A virus is something that we doesn't want. This is kind of poisons. When people are having a heart problem, it's because of the imbalance. No, the system is not balanced.